Hello, YouTubers, diecast collectors. It's Mr. J-Man63. Hope y'all have been having a good winter out there. Hopefully, y'all are looking forward to spring. We have a big haul video today. It is going to be huge. Well, not huge, but pretty decently sized. Got quite a few cool things to go over. Let's get on into another haul video. Alright, so first thing I'm going to show off is the main lines as usual. We're going to get on to the higher end stuff, and we're going to get on to the really cool stuff back here. Alright, so let's get on with the main lines first. My friend Stanley sent me a nice little care package. So quite a few cars. I got the Cadillac Seville. This one is really neat. I like this guy. Pretty cool classic. Even got the taillights done up here. I don't think those are, they look like separate pieces. I'm not really sure. But this Caddy Seville is pretty cool. Like the way they done this casting. I don't know if the interior's chrome or not. Doesn't look like it, but it looks pretty cool. Doesn't say anything on the back here, which is unfortunate. I think this is kind of, I wish they'd be showing, facts about the car. Anyway, so next piece here is the BMW 507. For some reason today my camera is having a hard time getting focus on these cars. I don't know what, if it's the light or what, but this is a pretty cool mainline. I like this one. The predecessor to the Z4 pretty much. Here's the back if you want to pause and read. Alright, so the next one here is the Rimac Navara. Pretty happy to have this guy. Pretty cool 1/64 scale supercar. Like this model. And then here is the back there, if you want to read that. Don't know what the top speed is according to the back here, but anyway. Mazda 787B. Needed this guy, wanted him for a while, so I'm super glad to have this guy in the collection. Wish they do the Renown version, but that's just my opinion. Nothing's on the back here. And then this was outside of Stan's stuff, but I got this myself, was the SoCal Speed Shop Max Steel. Thought this one was pretty cool. I'm going to crack this guy. Let's crack him. This is going to go on my shelf. We're going to free the piece. If only this would open. Yeah, we're going to free this guy. Yep, free the piece. That one's pretty cool. This one's going straight on with the shelf with all the display right here. Yep. Very cool. Alright, we're not freeing much else except for one, and we're going to free that in just a minute after I show this. We're starting to move on to the premium. Stanley sent me this. The MG Metro G4 with the rally hauler. This is based off of a real rally car, I believe. Pretty cool. Here's the back here. Have the hydroplane. Not really sure if I'm interested in the AMG. I don't know if I will be. I might be. Not sure. Pretty cool though. Next off here is the Paul Yaffe Custom. And the blister is so yellowed on this thing, guess what? We're going to crack this guy too. If I can get it open. There we go. This one freed a lot easier. There we go. It's a pretty cool bike. Check that bad boy out. Pretty dope. Like the exhaust on this. Nice pinstripe job too. Very, very cool. Pretty nice. Can't wait to display this with the choppers. Nicely made too. Alright, so the next one up, I'm going to show off some more stuff here. I actually got the Hot Wheels Exposed Engines 5-pack. This one's kind of neat. Pretty cool. Alright, so another thing, I got my neighbor's girlfriend Brandy got me this little model kit. Cannot wait to put this together. I'm going to crack this open today likely. Gonna be a cool little build. Competition cams, 1954 Chevy 3100 truck. This should be pretty fun to do some work on. Pretty cool. Alright, so next thing I got here before we move on to the center with the premiums here, I got the Monster Garage Fire Engine Limo. The fire truck limo. Thought this was kind of cool. This is my 6th and final car to own in the Monster Garage series. Very happy to have this finally. Very, very cool. Not a long-running series from Funline, but these were still cool nonetheless. And finally, I got starting on the drag strip demons. Got Mama's Little Helper. Pretty cool. The Nova drag wagon. The Nova Gasser wagon. That one's pretty cool. Finally, they gave this casting the treatment I really thought it deserved. And it's definitely about time. Nice premium. Even though it is technically the main line, it is still cool to have in the premium series. Interior is not much different. It is chrome, but you know, it's still very cool. Just kind of wish they'd added another piece to it for the interior, kind of to make it a little different, but still not bad. The Ram Chargers 65 Dodge Coronet. Pretty cool. The stripes. Nice to have a Ram Chargers car in the collection, 164th. I like this guy. Also got the Yanko Stinger. The Nova Corvair, the Chevy Corvair Yanko Stinger. Jay Leno's Garage. I'm happy to have this guy in my collection finally. And then last but not least, before the 118th back here, got the 73 Duster. Some of these came, at least these three came from my buddy Stanley. The Yanko I picked up at Walmart. Also with the MG Metro came from him. I only need the Volkswagen Beetle in this set. And then next up here is the Willys. I found this in the wild at Target. The good old rust bucket. Pretty cool piece. Glad to have this one. Nice series, the Drag Strip Demons. Okay, last but not least here, I got this for around $100. The Ford Rally Team WRC, the Ford Focus. I'm very happy to have this. This is a very nice piece. I like this guy. A buddy of mine has one, and now I'm really glad to have added this to my collection of race cars and racing memorabilia. They actually have a lot of nice details on these guys. But yeah, pretty cool. There's nothing on the back, in case y'all are wondering. Nothing on the bottom either. But yeah, glad to have this model. Very, very happy to have it. Pretty cool. Alright guys, well, that is everything. And let's guys get to our watch hours. We need to get those watch hours up. We have 960 subscribers, so remember to do everything that I've told you to do in the past. Remember to like, remember to comment as usual. Just remember to keep staying fans of the channel. That's all I can say. And yeah, not really much else to say. Just I'm glad I got a lot of stuff this month that was very awesome. So just remember, guys, don't do anything I haven't said already. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this haul video, and I will see y'all later. J-Man 63 out.